Who doesn't love a freebie? I certainly do. And right now I'm going to share my favourite plugins that you can download today for free. Let's do it. Hey, I'm Patrick and welcome to the GarageBand Guide, where we're all about helping you master GarageBand and improving your music. With tutorials, tips, gear recommendations, and the lowdown on the latest plugins and effects that you should add to your sonic arsenal. Plugins like this one. Space Modulator is a monster of a flanging plugin from Valhalla. And look, I know what you're thinking. A flanger. Woohoo. Well, if you've had any previous experience with Valhalla's other effects, you'll know that there's more to this plugin than meets the eye. There are 11 modulation algorithms packed into this thing that can all drastically change the effect's characteristics. Not only that, Valhalla have included dozens of presets for you to dive into that run the gamut from straightforward flanger effects to madcap audio breakdowns. Surprisingly usable on a wide variety of instrument types, Valhalla Space Modulator is not to be missed. Wider is a stereo widening plugin from Infected Mushroom and Polyverse Music that is really straightforward to use, but can make a massive difference to any track you apply it to. Wider expands the stereo image of a mono signal to an awe-inspiring amount of width. In fact, it can increase the stereo image of any mono signal up to 200% of full stereo for an extra wide, exaggerated effect. Not much more to say about this one really, just give it a whirl and I guarantee you'll be impressed with the results. Cypress TT-15 is a fantastic wee amp sim from Black Rooster Audio. Its no-nonsense approach and straightforward controls make dialing in a deliciously crunchy tone a breeze. This thing honestly sounds as good as a lot of paid amp sims and sounds brilliant on any rock guitars you care to slap it onto. No reverb plugin this simple should sound this good.
Tonight, there's 10 handspans between us. It feels like so much more.
Reverb Solo from Acon Digital manages to pack in one of the lushest reverb effects I've ever heard into a super straightforward interface. Despite there only being 2 controls to fiddle with here, you're able to create a large variety of different sounding reverbs depending on how you combine the big old reverb knob and the dry wet slider at the bottom there.
It feels like so much more tonight.
Personally, I find that Reverb Solo sounds great on vocals in particular.
It feels like so much more tonight.
A stripped back version of their incredible delay plugin Comeback Kid, Baby Audio released Baby Comeback to the public just a few days ago. Sporting a lot of the features found in its bigger brother, Baby Comeback is one hell of an upgrade to your DAW's stock delay effects. 4 flavour switches drastically change the character of your delayed signal, and the ducker control lowers the volume of your delayed signal while your input signal is playing, resulting in a subtler, more low-key effect. All in all, this is a superb free delay plugin that sounds amazing on pretty much anything. Is it just me, or do free plugins seem to be getting better and better? Madness. If that lot hasn't satisfied your hunger for top quality freebies, then give this video a click where I share even more of my favourite free music tools. Take care of yourself. I'll see you next time. Bye for now.